How many times have you clicked the search result and been met with a long article when you only needed one quick answer? That mismatch is where tiny tools win. Fast, practical, and immediately useful. I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. What if instead of another article, you built a small, interactive answer that literally does the job in seconds? In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a repeatable way to turn a search question into a tiny web tool you can prototype this weekend, plus the test to know whether to keep going. Finding the right intent matters more than a clever interface. Demand decides whether a tool lives or dies. Listen where people ask one-off questions, support forums, product Q&A, subreddits, and the people also ask bots. Those formats show you the exact shape of the answer someone wants. Many filters to use. Is it phrased as a question? Does it include numbers, like how many, convert X to Y, or how much? Those signals map directly to calculators, converters, and short generators. Quick validation. Take a candidate query, Google it, and check the top results. If the page results are long guides rather than tools, you probably have space to ship a focused answer and rank for that query. Now, prototype. Don't productize. Build an answer that proves demand. Then decide whether to harden it. Path 1. Spreadsheet to widget. Put the logic in a Google Sheet, publish a tiny embed, and you're live. It's auditable, quick to change, and perfect for early testing. Path 2. No-code builder. If you want a nicer UI, use Webflow, Bubble, or a widget service and ship in a day. Path 3. Minimal serverless. Need a prompt or some custom math? A tiny function on Vercel or Netlify is enough. Quick story. Real quick. I built a plant spacing calculator on a Saturday. Google Sheet prototype. Published an embed Sunday. Posted it to a gardening subreddit Monday morning. Result. 120 uniques in 48 hours and 5 emails collected. That week I knew the idea had legs. That's the power of shipping a simple answer fast. Real usage beats theorizing. Distribution is straightforward if you match the origin of the question. Embed the tool on a short SEO landing page that targets the query, drop it into help docs, and share it where the question started. Now this is where it gets interesting. Tool-first content often outranks article-first content for tactical queries. Monetization should be proportional to the tool's value. Low-friction options. A small lead gate for the full result. A one-time unlock for extra outputs. Or an affiliate funnel tied to the numbers the tool produces. Don't jam a subscription into every tiny tool. If it's a one-off utility, a one-time unlock or affiliate path will convert better and keeps user expectations realistic. 3 quick blueprints you can rip off this weekend. A plant spacing calculator. Input plant, bed size, and it returns spacing, plants per bed, and a printable layout. Perfect for permaculture and gardening communities. A niche content brief generator. 3 fields. Topic, audience, angle. And outcomes H2s. Target keywords, and a suggested word count. Writers adopt this fast because it saves setup time. A conversion estimator for affiliate pages. Input traffic, center, and AOV, and show projected revenue. Then pair the tool with contextual links and a short PDF of next steps. Common failure modes are avoidable. Building for no demand, over-engineering, and skipping measurement are the usual suspects. Mitigations. Validate intent first with quick searches and community checks. Start with throwaway tech, a sheet, or simple embed, and instrument 3 metrics: usage, conversion, and retention. Set concrete thresholds before you ship. Example: fewer than 50 unique uses in the first month from targeted channels. Pivot or kill. Lead gate conversion under 1%, rethink the offer. Those cut points save time and mental energy. Alright, here's a 1-hour sprint you can run this week. Find a question in a community you're already in. Build a spreadsheet prototype. or a tiny Webflow embed. Make a single landing page that answers the query and share it where the question came from. Track uniques and signups for 7 days. You might be thinking, isn't this SEO? Yes, but done differently. You're not chasing vague keywords. You're giving immediate utility to a question that maps to a narrow conversion. That focus changes the ROI math. If you tried this, send a quick note about what you built and what happened. Let's connect the dots on what scales. And if you want more episodes like this, practical systems for builders and solopreneurs, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.